terms of entertainment, what's to be experienced at Festival du Bois is of course all the French Canadian traditional music, which is part of our everyday reality. But also there's something for everybody, as we have incorporated some world music element at the festival. And that's to the benefit of everyone, because traditional music is traditional music no matter where you go in the world. I feel really good about the fact that we have a more multicultural reality of people coming to attend the festival. So that means for us, it's we have an expression, c'est gagnant. So it's a winning situation for us, because it's important that not only French Canadians come to Festival du Bois, because it wouldn't be as big. It's important that there's people from other cultures and realities throughout BC and abroad that do want to take in the festival.